What's up guys, Shamil here, New Water Glass, working on a 18 Chevy Silverado. Got a plain windshield. I just cut the glass out. I put a primer on it, got my pro set, but this is a short video to show you. You see these wires right here? I use the Equalizer RAPTOR to cut this windshield out. Thank you Equalizer again for providing me with such an amazing tool. But if I use the regular long knife or my extractor or the Milwaukee that I use, this, because it was hanging out this much, check it out, look how much they're sticking out. This is the dashboard, this is the wire. This would have been all cut, and there's a lot of wires here. So I want to let you know, if you're working on an 18 new body style Chevys, you got to be careful of the wires. Look, there's another one right here. All these wires, you got to be careful. So just be careful please. And this is just a short 1-minute video just to give you a heads up. Please be careful or you might have to pay for all that damage. Thank you guys.